topic is basically the application of the topics which we have learnt in the last couple of days session. In the last couple of days session, we have learnt what is spirituality. We have learnt why we will control our mind, and today we will learn how we can control our mind. And I will refer to a nice story. In the battlefield of Kurukshetra, Arjuna asked Krishna, "Oh Lord, the mind is just like a storm. How can I control it?" Then Krishna replied, "You can control it by practice and dispassion." If we analyze our own thoughts, then we will find that the nature of our mind is to running behind the past and the future. But how we can keep our mind in the present state? Buddha told, sorrow and suffering are the product of our desires. But I am a common man. I have some duties for my society, I have duties for my family, I have to do my job, I have to do work. How can we control our emotions and how can we make an equilibrium mind? To know this, we will go for today's session. And I would like to say you that there are so many misconceptions regarding the methods of meditation, regarding the practice of meditation, but we must apply it to our daily life. We must do meditation for a good life, and we have to create a awareness among meditation. And before going to the session, I would like to share some important statistics with you which will confirmly prove the effectiveness of meditation in our daily life. According to the Huffington Post with Times of India in January 2015, according to the newest data available in scientificamerican.com, the depression in America cost society $210 billion burden every year. In fact, for every dollar spent treating depression, an additional $4.7 is spent on direct and indirect costs of related illness, and another $1.9 is spent on a combination of reduced workplace productivity and the economic cost associated with the suicide directly linked to the depression. If we come to the case of India, in the newspaper The Week, it reported on 29th June 2009, a statistic about psychological illnesses in India showed a report about 33% scientists, 42% artists, 36% musicians, 41% politicians, and unfortunately 72% writers are mentally ill, and the rate has been increased by 5 to 6 times during the last few years. If we look for the Silicon Valley of India, that is for Bangalore, almost 36% engineers are suffering from mental anxiety or depression. But don't worry, the ray of hope has already been written in our scriptures and it has been clinically experimented now. I am referring to a paper named Meditation Programs for Psychological Stress and Well-being, a systematic review and meta-analysis published by Madhav Goel, the Department of Medicine, Johns Hopkins University in the JAMA International Medicine 2014. This paper showed us that this group included 47 trials with 3,515 participants. Mindfulness meditation program had evidence of improved anxiety, depression and pain, and it suggests that meditation appeared to provide as much relief from some anxiety and depression symptoms as some antidepressants. And another paper is named The Therapeutic Effects of Meditation. It is published by Cantor Peter H., British Medical Journal International Edition on 17th May 2003. This paper showing that certain physiological effects such as a slowered heart rate or a particular EEG pattern occur during meditation and that characterize a relaxed state. So many famous companies like Apple, Google, Nike has started meditation program for their employees to increase their productivity, and most famous of this is Search Inside Yourself, a course launched by Google for its employees. All this information proves the effect of meditation in our everyday life. Now we will start this session. On behalf of Vivekananda Shamiti, IIT Kanpur, I welcome Swami Amartyanandaji Maharaj to please share his views on how to control our mind.
Good afternoon, all of you. So, introduction, it is clear. Meditation is the ultimate remedy of biological body. Last class I told that mind is a very important part in human body. It is the mind which is responsible to achieve knowledge. It is the mind which is responsible to take you, drag you to the next places. It is the mind is responsible to achieve the ultimate goal of the human life. So mind is so complicated, so important part of the human body, every places, everywhere, as a human beings, whether as a Hindu, Muslim, Christian, even in any part of the world, human mind is everywhere, function is the same. Ways are different, but function is the same. So you have heard so many lectures of the mind, still we have no clear-cut conception of the mind. What is this instrument? We know mind is not focused, so you have not got the result as I desire. And mind is responsible for anything. And it is very, very difficult to control the mind as you heard, just like a air straw, mind is moving here and there. That is the nature of the mind. Mind flows from lower level, higher level to the lower level, that is the tendency. As river flows from the higher level to the lower level, mind also like that, higher level to the lower level. We are struggling to give opposite direction to achieve our goal. Everybody is struggling anything to give the opposite direction. If you allow to flow like that, you will be nowhere. You will not be in the IIT Kanpur. You have struggled so much to give the just upper direction, flow from lower level to the higher level. This is our journey or achieve the higher goal in materialistic, in spiritual life. Just we are changing the direction. This is the natural flow, but how much force is required? How much power is required to give a upward direction, not lower direction? That is why mind is so important. Everybody very much careful of the mind. So far you have heard how mind functions, how it helps us. So mind has a great role in our life. This can make a man a great, or this can destroy a man. So come how to control the mind. If mind is so subtle, how will control? What is control? The meditation, the terms. Meditation is a noun, state, level. Trying to sleep is not a sleep at all. trying to meditate is not a meditation at all. So-called definition, as you understand, and we term this use this word meditation very loosely. Frankly speaking, when you sit for the meditation, whatever methods you learn from your guru or other sect, what is happening? Fight is going on. Mahabharat ka Juddh. After 5-10 minutes, you open your eyes. Sambhav nahi hai. Actually, it's fighting. Am I right? We call meditation. Meditation is a noun. We are trying to meditate. It is not a meditation at all. Because we do not know the exact methods. What is the meaning of the meditation and the methods? When you meditate, what you meditate, what you want to do it, maybe different people say different way, but what is happening is struggling, not allowing to sit alone. Opening eyes is better. The moment you close the eyes, there is great fighting and you totally exhausted and so much pain in headache, you get up. This happens. So before meditation, how control the mind? What will control? She come to the very basic stage. Yesterday I explained mind is nothing but place of emotion. But what is the exact definition of the mind? I think he told. I have not entertained this yesterday because I want to explain this one today. What he told? Bundle of thoughts. When there is no thoughts, there is no mind. It is bundle of thoughts. Thoughts. When you sit for the meditation, fighting the thoughts and mind, you are totally tired, tensed. Better not to meditate. Let us enjoy, open my eyes, go to my friend, share, finish. So, thought is so subtle. Everybody's mind is different. Thought also different. Mind is a bundle of thoughts. What is thought? You try to think, you will get. Just don't stress. Just to think. Simple life. How thought is formed. If everybody's mind is different, thought also different. I am giving one example. Suppose 15 days are left for the final exam. You told your friends, others, don't disturb me, leave me alone, I have to study. Half an hour, 45 minutes, mind is focused, your eyes are open on the book, mind is not somewhere. It happens. What concentration you can get? Swami Vivekananda on place told, youth energy are wasted, channelize, drain out, drain out, drain out. This is the examples. Suppose this way, youth, try to concentrate 20 minutes, 15 minutes, after that mind is not on the book, roaming here and there. After 50, 30 minutes, you realize mind is not the book, examination is knocking the door. Try to put it there, struggle like anything. Out of 1 hour, effective studies, maybe 30 minutes. 30 minutes you have wasted in the name of studies. This is the fact to everybody. You are very focused, intellectual, so maybe 30 minutes. Ordinary students, after 10 minutes, mind goes somewhere. That is the difference. But it happened to all. Where mind goes? If mind is separate, thought is separate, it is your thought, not equal thoughts. Where mind goes, you know. Nobody knows except you. You know where it goes. How thoughts are created? How thoughts are created? If thoughts are different, your thought is different, our thought is different, how thoughts are? These thoughts you have brought it, his thought he has brought it, how?
Experience. Based on the sensors that we have, we capture information and then
different experience of the senses.
Yes?
according to samskara.
See, now this part you keep it straight. What is happening? Then sanskar, again complication is there. That's something fake work. It has a value. See, I know everything, but I want to say straight away to reach the what is happening and what you have to do it. Otherwise, you use the technical word. Gita, Upanishad, everything is there. But this understanding is there, they can understand, they can release. Otherwise, it is only reading. You see, thought is created by you. How thoughts are created?
We don't want to do that.
Huh?
We don't want to do that. Desires.
My pinpointed question is, mind is there, nothing but a thought. Thought, everybody's thought is different. So how thought is created? For example, so when your study table is there, suddenly mind goes some to the friend. You visualize it. उसके पास गया था, उसके पास गया था, उसके पास. How this thought is created? Created by you? How? He, to some extent, is right. What is the definition of the thought? Modification of the object. See, all these things she must write down and read. What is thoughts? Modification of the object. See, we come to the ground level. What you see, what you hear, what you told. Tell that goes in the thought form. Are you getting my point? That is called modification of the object. What you see, what you hear, goes in the thought form. Swamiji also one place told, every act, whatever you do, goes in the thought from left impression. That impression depends, degrees of depression depends on the degrees of attachment to the object. You have seen so many objects, but not all information is here. Some attachment is there, that is coming again and again in the mind and disturbing you. That is clear? So, thought nothing but a modification of the object. Come to this level when you are a child. We have seen, we have heard a monkey sitting, closing his eyes, closing his ear. क्या था उसका मीनिंग? बुरा मत बोलना, बुरा मत सुनना, बुरा मत कहना. Which we have not followed. This is our Shastra says. Every children, parents try to teach them. So you see if you see the good thing, thought will be good. Positive thing, positive. Bad things, bad. See, we come meditation, thoughts come to the ground level, simple things. So, this is the thoughts, function of the thoughts. Thoughts is nothing but a mind. Control of mind means control of the thought. That means control of your senses, judicious use of eyes, ears, other senses. You go on allowing the senses to do this. At the same time, you do the meditation. Anywhere, any place. Have you seen the Shastras? Have you seen the Munis, Rishis? Why they advise you? As a student, as a family man, yes, 50% you do, 50% try to control. Tranquility will be there. For that you are not ready to do it. So control of mind is control of the thoughts. Now question is how to control. First, control your senses. Mainly eyes, ears, talking. You go on seeing the bad thing. Thought will be bad. Go on seeing the good things. Good. Simple things. 50 years back, is there any this kind of problem was there? This much? And now government, organization make it a mandatory, compulsory for meditation course. 50 years back it was there because they used to follow these simple things. We will not follow anything. Dharma has no value in my life. Only money, pay, promotion. Prosperity is the values in the life. Now a stage has come. You have realized, doctor has realized what is the mental illness. Just now he read out. Why? Because we have not taken care how to maintain the mental health. Yesterday or day before yesterday told growth, healthy growth of a child, healthy growth of the body, healthy growth of the mind, which you have neglected. So this, up to this understand, control of mind means control of the thoughts. This another thing he told, we underestimated the value of the practice. If somebody say, you do 5 minutes, अरे उसमें क्या होगा? You live this practice. Don't forget, due to the power of the practice, we have come to the IIT Kanpur. Am I right? due to the power of practice. This is the power of practice, most important in our life. As academic, you understood. Success, key of the success is practice, practice, practice. What is the practice? Small thing which learn from teachers. Mother taught us like that, we have practiced, now we have come to the IIT, we go to the higher stages. Through practice. See, practice, don't underestimate whenever you are asked to do something for your mental health. Don't tell now spiritual, first your mental health, otherwise you go to the mad. The percentage is, you have given the statistics, the way it is coming up, everybody will go to the mad. Because nobody cares of the mental health. Leave it the spirituality is so hard, but digest the word the spirituality, religion. But for your interest, that you should not go to that extreme state to become mad. Take care of the mental health. Discipline, practice is so important that you have seen any circus, that beautiful feats, 60 feet above on rope was there, a girl is moving. If you think, can I do it? Fear, full of fear. How it is possible? Which is impossible for me, possible for her, the girl's work. Through practice, miracle can happen. Then circus also, so many feats are there with animals. Tiger, how we trained? How we trained? Practice. See, in the village side, if you go, there is a water scarcity is there. There is boring also, hand pump is there. Everybody comes, take the water from there. Carrying water with the earthen pot, fragile. And that tube well is there, below is cemented pakka. After 1 year, we see there is a depression. Keeping the pot just below the tap, depression, they show the fragile things. Earthen pot has the power to depress the cemented pakka. So, how much power is the practice? Small thing. But we underestimate. क्या होगा एक दिन में? क्या होगा एक दिन में? So practice is the most important thing to change the life. Now come the how to control thoughts. Control the thoughts is control the mind. First tips I have given, judicious use of your senses. These are all practical tips. It is not theory. Who will control your senses? Judicious, you. So I come to our level. It is applicable to all. Those who become great and rishis and munis, they are practicing day and night these things only. Root is here. As a tree, big tree, root is the most important thing. We go on watering on the leaves. So many flowery language, so many explanation, exposition, but we are not going to the root of the tree. this judicious use of our senses, especially eyes and ears, that is the root. You have to take care. Otherwise, whatever books you read, nothing will happen, because already show the link, how it has come, who is the root. You have to take care of these 2-3 roots. So these thoughts, that is, you have to take care of the thoughts. Thoughts created by you. Whatever thoughts is there, good and bad, of course, there is a bad thoughts, good thoughts. Tension also 2 types. Tension, there is a negative tension, there is a positive tension. Positive tension is that how to get the good marks. That thought you cannot remove from your mind. That will remain, that is healthy. Only the tension, negative sides. That will, after some times, it will disappear from you. Healthy tension. So some thoughts will be the healthy to make you improve or take you upward. Now this thought also has a 3 aspects. One is quantity of the thoughts, quality of the thoughts, direction of the thoughts. That one Swamiji told, very simple way, how to control the mind, how to learn from the mother, father, just to follow and practice, you can control the mind. Nothing else. How truth it is. How true it is. फादर मदर हम लोग को ऐसी शिक्षा देता है सबको. Just follow it, you can control the mind. So thought has a 3 aspects. One is quantity of the thoughts, quality of the thoughts, direction of the thoughts. Quantity, we are under pressure of the quantity of the thoughts, quality of the thoughts, direction of the thoughts. Quantity means higher frequency of the thoughts. Quality of thoughts means quality, good, bad. Direction of the thoughts means some thoughts comes in one way, you want to change the direction, you are unable to do it. You are getting my point? First come quantity of the thoughts. Before that, the 2 basic principles is there. Higher the agitation of the mind, higher the frequency of the thought, the more upset, disturbed, agitated you are. We tell you your life. Higher the frequency of the thoughts, the more agitated, more disturbed you are. If it is less disturbed. If the quantity thought is minimum, you have a peace, tranquility. Understood? Thought, mind means actually thought. Meditation means only you are struggling and fighting with the thoughts. This is our actual definition of the meditation. What we are doing practically. So this is higher the frequency of the thought, more agitated, more disturbed you are. Because of the higher frequency of thoughts, man go to mad. Mad people, you see, they cannot sleep. Blood pressure, indigestion, frequency of the thoughts. When you are very angry, you see the condition of the mind, how much you are disturbed, moving this place, that place, this piece. Frequency of thought is so much, you are totally disturbed. Then come quality of the thoughts. Quality of thoughts means good thoughts. Sometimes we are ashamed what kind of thoughts you are indulging. That happens. So, and you have some kind of detachment power. You have to. Without stress, without strain, you want to reduce the quantity of the thoughts, you have the power to detach yourself from the object. The object is the source of thought. Some cases you have to withdraw from the object. Then quality, then direction of the thoughts. They given the example, just a learner learning bicycle. The moment he turns, he fell down. Similarly, the condition with us, we sometimes want to change, but you cannot. So how to handle it? If you manage the thoughts, you can manage the mind. Mind you cannot do anything, touch it. You have to manage thoughts. So what is the solution now? First come quantity of the thoughts, higher frequency of the thoughts. See, when we are sitting idle, thoughts erupt in the mind. See, our rishis, munis gave a beautiful formula. Disciplined life, you make a timetable of the whole day. Follow one by one, so that there will not be spare time to entertain any thoughts. When there is a spare time, that time lot of negative thoughts come. Keep busy yourself. Purpose, keep busy. Purposely, strictly, so that unwanted thought will not disturb you. No time to entertain them. You have to follow a timetable. Draw a timetable your own according to your convenience. Discipline, no discipline in the life. Can you control our mind? Can you control our thoughts? I can do anything. And you can clearly have understood what you want to see, what you want not to see. We will not take any action in the basic cheese, only we are taking care of the leaves of the tree. No success. Discipline, in one word, keep yourself busy, strictly busy. There is a beautiful example is there. The more busy you are, more alert you are. When you are driving the car in the road, any unwanted thoughts enter into the mind, because you have to negotiate with the people, vehicle, police, life risk is there. So, purposely you have to make a timetable, keep busy yourself. We are so much indisciplined. What Shastras, in English Shastras, what you learn from the parents, what you learn from the elders, we are not ready to follow it. And simply reading books, we control the mind. See, another examples I am giving, beautiful lawn is there. How beautiful lawn. If nearby any forest also is there, we go sit in the lawn or near forest. Lawn, beautiful, enjoy. Lawn, this garden is a disciplined growth. Forest is an indisciplined growth. They can move, grow like anything, any place, air place. But gardener is there. He giving the shape and it is beautiful. So life will be beautiful if you become the gardener. What is the role of the gardener? To watch how senses are working, how senses are taking you the wrong path. That is your duty to do it. And that is possible when you come little bit discipline. So managing thought, you have to be disciplined. You have to proper use of eyes and ears, especially. You understood? So that is quantity of the thoughts, frequency of the thoughts you can reduce. This is the way. There is hope. Ways are there. But if you are ready, if you are sincere, if you practice sincerely these few points, you will be a different man. Different person, not only that, you will see in career also you are getting good marks. What is concentration? Focus the mind on the book, subject. You cannot focus because of the unwanted thoughts. You have to remove these unwanted thoughts, automatically concentration, you can improve. That is Swamiji has given. Channelize the youth power. Channelize. What does it mean? To improve their concentration by removing the unwanted thoughts. These are the methods. Quantity and quality of the thoughts. What kind of object, again object will come. What kind of object you are entertaining, good or bad, thought will form good and bad, you are responsible for that. And sometimes we are so ashamed that we are entertaining so vulgar thoughts. Repentance come. Quality of the thoughts. How to improve the quality of the thoughts? Exposed to noble thoughts. These simple methods are very simple. Only you have to follow it here, not brain level. Ground level you have to work. So this exposed to the noble thoughts. There is a great saying, Saint Egnath, whose son gone to the astray, he saved his life exposed to the noble thoughts, read noble thoughts, noble ideas. That as Vivekananda Seva Samiti, Shastra Samiti, Seva Samiti, trying to inculcate, give good thoughts. It has a meaning. We cannot understand what is the meaning. When I was in Delhi, I started, just youth forum was there, I started reading Swami Vivekananda's, just as other centers are Ramakrishna are doing. But within 15 days, nobody coming. I came to know, we have no interest. I am studying the Delhi, first life. How can I get more money? That is your problem. I am staying in the rented house. From that day onwards, I have topics I have selected, and points and everything I have given right in topic wise I used to take. I am teaching Swamiji's teachings, what I say and according to the Shastras, but different way, so that like Delhi, Bombay, materialistic world, they can accept. हाँ, उसमें कुछ फायदा है हमारा. So exposed to the noble thoughts. Clear? Everything left to you to make your life or mar your life. Manage or perish. You manage your life or you perish. मैं कहता हूँ करो नहीं तो मारो. अभी भी टाइम है. In your hand. I am showing systematically, scientifically prove it. These are the steps you have taken. You have to, if you manage your life. तो संत एकनाथ, according to the Shastra, Bhaja Govinda, Satsangatte Nissangatta Nissangatte Nirmahatta, is exposed to the noble thought, satsang. Non-attachment will come to you. Power of non-detachment will come to you. Nirmahatta, then freedom. But point is, satsanga means which elevate your mind. You are sitting here. If it is elevate the mind, that is satsanga. If some friend is there, you are talking such a way, no elevation of the mind, going downwards. Mercilessly, ruthlessly, you have to reject that friend. You should be choosy. Who will be your friend? To save your life. If you save your life, it is the national gain. If you lose, national also lose. Swamiji's broad idea. If you transform, channelize the one youth energy, that is our benefit of the nation, you have that potential to become a big officers. But because of the do not know how to control the mind, just small officers, that is a national loss. Loss for you also. National loss. Swamiji's broad view. How to elevate India? Elevate youth. Channeling the youth power. Is not only you are the loser, nation also is a loser. So exposed to the noble thoughts, noble idea, it is your hand. Direction of the thought also same. Have a satsanga, good company. Eknath, the examples I have given. Then come, another thing will come. So many practical steps I have given. You have to take care. when sometimes this direction of the thoughts, when you exposed to the noble thoughts, satsanga is most important in the life. And in my book you will find I concise them, put into SDM. What is it? Just to remember, satsanga, disciplined life, meditation. Satsanga you have understood? You listen bhajans while watching movie. It is not generating the negative thoughts in your mind. Time will come as a students, focus your mind for the studies. Satsanga, you have understood bhajans, hearing, but be choosy about your friend if you want to save your life. That is up to you. No, I want to do like that. Then do or die. Nobody, no scriptures, no Swamiji, no orator can save you. If you want to save, you have to do it. Discipline life. How much you are in discipline? Control the mind. Possible? Just if you sit at, that is why the effect I already told you. This is a meditation, this fighting is going on. In the name of meditation. Real meditation will come when you follow this. Peace, joy. 30 years, 20 years you are practicing meditation, so many things coming here, going there. Read almost you are a sharp brain, intelligent, you have finished all philosophical books in all religion. Result is 0. If you think in this way, only confused your mind, or you are not getting the proper food. What are the steps you have to take in? In Shastra, there is 2 words. One is dead religion, one is living religion. Dead religion is this, all books, scriptures. That is their realization. But living religion, life, great man, guru, you can see the reflection of this world. So we don't hypnotized by reading so many books and intellectual jug lagari. Ultimately come to 0. Then meditation technique, already I taught you yesterday. Again I am teaching these simple 3 things. Little bit discipline. Satsanga means proper use of eyes and ears. Friend circle, you discuss some positive or your subject, not out of this. If you say it is not possible me, then you go as you are doing. Nobody can save you. You have, just like yesterday I told you the examination example. Examiner will not allow you if you don't come to the examination due to practical reasons. You are sick, that is genuine. You could not attend the examination paper. Examination will allow you, promote you. So no compromise. If it is problem for you, you will remain like that. That much bold power should come. Yes, I can change. That potency is there. Why Swami Vivekananda's dream is only talking to the youth, give the youth channel, nation building. Character building is nation building. The moment I see the character, everybody left, character kya? But it is not characters. the way I tell you, these are the few things you have to apply. And I am rest assured, within 1 month you will feel some kind of joy. Not only that, you will get good marks also. Concentration you can improve. Delhi, Bombay, like that. Even IIM Ahmedabad, they used to come. So many students, they already academically, they are getting good marks. Concentration, secret of what is concentration? Remove unwanted thoughts, whole power will go for concentration. Concentration करने से कुछ नहीं होगा. You have to take care of the thoughts. That's all. Are this. I think this much, 15. Okay, you understood? Clear-cut tips, how to control. Who has the gut, he can control. He can still change their life. Don't waste your time simply reading. Inspiration, 1% inspiration, 99% perspiration. You take 1%, practice 99%. That is the methods. I used to give the one examples. One student got admitted in the college. Every day he will go to the college. Percentage 360 out of 365. 360 days he is the present in the college. And result out, fail. What is the reason? No practice, no perspiration. Are you getting my point? What is the use? 365 days your psychological, intellectual jugglery is going on. Ultimately fail. When fail? When you are going along, walking the road, and ordinary uneducated people going the road. Persons came, he talked such a way, and the other person came, he talks such a way, no difference. You should be polite. And what? What is your education? What is the difference Swami Vivekananda wanted? What kind of education we are getting? No difference. Because difference will not come until you take care of the root thoughts, discipline, meditation. Thank you all of you for patient hearings, and if you have any questions, you can ask. Very clear?
Suppose we follow all these techniques, like keep focusing on whatever you want to do, and then we keep practicing the number thoughts. Every time you get a thought, you decide if it's good or bad, then you keep going ahead. And we'll keep achieving, we'll keep knowing what should be our next better. So we'll keep practicing that. But how are you getting the permanent peace in that process?
See, the moment you start this one, no? Slowly, peace is a feelings. By word it will not come to you. Peace, miseries, everything is feelings. Is it not? That logic is that the moment you go on the right path, I explain, then there is no negative thoughts. Frequency thought will be less, then peace is there. Purpose is frequency of thought you have to reduce. That example what is given when you go to the temple, come out, what is that? Peace. Frequency thought has gone down. That time you don't want happiness, don't want unhappiness. We want peace only. For that, you can renounce your house for time being. Whole life only enjoyment, 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 wife, children. But particular time we are telling no, no more association with my family members. Only association with the prayer or satsanga. Why? This taste is so powerful. Peace is so powerful. The moment you get it, you remove. You automatically, that power will come to throw it out. Clear? Any more questions?
One more. You talked about you keep busy schedule, or maybe when you are studying, you cannot be
Something positive.
so you cannot be focused for about suppose let's say 2 to 3 hours.
See,
Not only not physical limitations are also there. You cannot be focusing on.
okay, but that is also a practice. Physical limitation is there. Now you are 1 hour busy. Start 2 hours busy. After 15 days, 3 hours busy. It will go slowly, 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 slowly. That you must practice the watching thought flow. That is one of the most powerful and important tips to reduce the thoughts. I can give you the assurance because I have so much of experience changing the life of the youngsters like you. Changing, transformation I brought. They are also equally qualified, brilliant and very sharp. Told I am IIT MTech, Bombay. All are benefited coming to there. I assure you will get the result. And that I want. I want transformation, what Swami Vivekananda. Spirituality is a transformation, not philosophical discussion. Enough of philosophical discussion because you are a bright students. This Dr. Amit, before come to me, he finished all religion of different sects. After that he came to me. Totally confused, he told. Totally confused. Which is right, which is wrong. This philosophy says like that, this philosophy says like that, this philosophy. What to do? Problem in the mind. In search of that, going on reading and misguiding also. Sometimes you are misguiding the youngsters also, not giving the right path. Why you do this? Are ancient methods. वो पापा मामी ने जो सिखाया वही फॉलो करो. थोड़ा डिसिप्लिन ना. और सत्संग, friends should be such. Very many thanks, and I am very happy to share my views, all of you. And it appears that it has gone inside, not generally. What happens after lectures? Go out. Oh, what he says? I cannot remember. Go on everywhere. Two types of lectures. One is appealing the heart. One is good. Shruti Madhur. Very good, very nice, flowery language. Mesmerism is there. 1 hour lost. क्या बोला? वो तो याद नहीं है. This appealing, 1 or 2 sentences appealing, change, transform their life. And if you want, अच्छा okay. अच्छा meditation again I am telling that 2 words you have to. My methods. Whatever methods you are follow, you can do it. But my methods you have to follow it. Very simple. I already told you that in my class, Hindus are there, Muslim was there, Christian was there. So my technique was such, acceptable to all and understandable to all. 2 words I tell you, one is watching, one is brooding. Watch, I am watching you. Brood means you have understand. Today, thoughts is there. Close your eyes, TV switch is on, moving. that examples I gave in the study table when you are there. Suddenly TV switch on, your mind is gone there. You visualizing shape, place, person's face, that is called TV. That is brooding. If I sit alone, it is happening. So the method is that I want to stop that brooding. You have to watch. Watch means when you detach yourself from the thoughts, you can watch. Watching means just watch, no other things will come. Gate man, what is the work of the gate man? He watch who is coming and going, nothing else. Beginning it may be difficult. You go on doing every day with the faith, practice, you will get result. So everybody sit again in the straight postures. Backbone, neck, head should be straight as far as possible. No movement of the body. Straight posture is the most important. No movement of the body. Close your eyes. Now try to watch your thoughts. Don't start brooding. Just like a gate man. So mind should be so alert. Alertness of mind is required. So that unwanted thoughts or brooding cannot disturb you. After 5 minutes, I will ask you to open the eyes still, then you continue to watch your thoughts. So I call it watching thought flow. Open your eyes. कैसा अच्छा लग रहा है? Morning, evening, you have to do it. 5 minutes you have to spare. And if it after sometimes if you had a perfectness comes, no, you will increase your time your own way. All of my students asked you to 5 minutes, then after 1 month or 2 months, they tell the Swamiji, I am doing half an hour. I have not asked them. If taste is there, you will increase the time. That is why I ask the 5 minutes. If perfection is there, you will find some changes. No? Okay. Thank you, all of you.
Firstly, on behalf of Vivekananda Samiti IIT Kanpur and the entire IIT Kanpur community, I thank Swamiji for sparing his valuable time. Over the last 3 days, we had a wonderful workshop and a lot of insights into how to control our mind. Today we learned about this practice of SDM and what is spirituality, the basic concepts and the importance of application in our day-to-day lives. So I hope all of us have benefited and will practice these techniques. And just to inform you, every Saturday 9 to 10 a.m. we have a weekly guided meditation by Swami Satyamananda Ji, who is the Secretary of Ramakrishna Mission. So all of you are encouraged to join us. We have been doing this for last about a year and a half. So anybody interested, so I think yesterday itself the session was there and a mail was circulated in the students list. So there was a link to the Google form therein. So if you want to receive the notifications for this meditation session, kindly fill in this Google form. So as I was saying, so we thank Maharaji for coming all the way from Andaman and we hope we will listen to him again in the future. So for organizing this workshop, I would like to thank a few friends, particularly Sudipto Chaudhary and Dr. Amit, who from the last 2-3 months they were coordinating with us, and the faculty community, the students Gymkhana, and our dear friends of the Samiti, and our camera person Badal, and all the rest of the members, and most importantly all of you for turning into this workshop for last 3 days and making it successful. Hopefully we will organize many such programs in the near days to come, and we hope to see you again in this.